In the race to meet global demand, the poultry industry has intensified production, leading to faster processing lines, longer working hours, and shorter break times. Behind this efficiency are workers whose physical health is often at risk, especially in their upper limbs. Pain in the shoulders, wrists, and hands has become common among poultry slaughterhouse workers. This study was born out of the urgent need to understand the workplace risk factors that contribute to upper limb musculoskeletal pain and to support safer, healthier work environments. The main objective of this study was to examine the relationship between various workplace risk factors and the prevalence of upper limb work-related musculoskeletal pain among poultry slaughterhouse workers. The study focused on evaluating posture, task types, and tool usage that might be associated with this pain. This cross-sectional descriptive study was conducted in northern Thailand. One poultry slaughterhouse was randomly selected from 3 factories in the region. Data were collected from 98 workers who met the inclusion criteria using self-reported questionnaires and the Rapid Upper Limb Assessment Tool. The study received ethical approval and participants gave written, informed consent. Results revealed that 86.7% of workers reported upper limb musculoskeletal pain in the past year, and 91.8% had high RULA scores indicating high posture-related risk. Statistically significant risk factors included age, tasks like abdominal slitting and chicken cutting, use of tools such as knives and scissors, and poor posture. High RULA scores were associated with a 17-fold increase in pain risk, highlighting the serious ergonomic issues workers face. To address upper limb work-related musculoskeletal pain, the study recommends implementing task rotation to minimize repetitive strain, especially for high-risk jobs like slitting and cutting. Improvements in tool design and glove grip can reduce the need for excessive force. Moreover, ergonomic training, workplace health programs, and manager education are essential to reducing injury and improving long-term worker well-being. This study reinforces the critical need to evaluate and address ergonomic risks in poultry processing plants. Understanding and mitigating factors such as posture, repetitive tasks, and tool usage can significantly reduce musculoskeletal pain. As the poultry industry continues to expand globally, these findings offer valuable insights for creating safer and more sustainable working conditions for laborers.